Hello everyone. In this video I will explain the EU Digital Waste Shipment System, also known as DIWASS. The DIWASS is the European Commission electronic platform for managing documentation and information exchange under the revised EU Waste Shipment Regulation. Its purpose is to replace paper-based procedures with a secure digital system for cross-border waste movements. The system applies to waste shipment procedures where the EU member state is involved as a country of dispatch, destination, or transit. It affects waste producers, notifiers, brokers, dealers, carriers, consignees, treatment facilities, recyclers, exporters, importers, and competent authorities. A key requirement is the digital handling of waste shipment documentation, especially for shipments subject to the prior informed consent procedure. This includes the hazardous waste, mixed municipal waste, waste destined to disposal, and other controlled waste categories. For companies, the DIWASS changes waste compliance for paper file into a digital workflow. Operators must be able to register, submit information, generate movement documents, exchange data with authorities, and maintain reliable digital evidence. This matters because waste shipments have historically been vulnerable to fragmented documentation, inconsistent procedures, and illegal movements. The DIWASS improves traceability, auditability, and enforcement by making waste movements more visible in real time. Overall, the EU Digital Waste Shipment System is an important step toward more transparent and digitally traceable environment compliance. It supports circular economy goals by improving oversight of waste flows, recycling routes, and cross-border waste management across the EU.